welcome to Lazy Cooking with Sabrina, and in this video here I'm going to be cooking a pumpkin dump cake. Y'all, this was super bomb, okay? I'm just saying. If you like this type of content, please do not be stingy. Go ahead and share this video, like, comment, and definitely subscribe if you haven't already. And let's get into the video. Alright, you're going to need a 16-ounce can of pumpkin puree, 1 can of evaporated whole milk, and 3 eggs. Alright, as y'all know, I don't measure my food. I season my stuff to taste. So I use about a teaspoon or so of pumpkin spice. And I used a cup of sugar. Now it's time to mix it on good. Mix it on good. Oh my God. Yeah, I swear I don't know how to talk. It's okay. It's time for you to go ahead and mix it, you know, and get it all nice and good. Alright, I used a 9x13 baking sheet. And you know, poured it all in the pan, and I didn't grease my pan, but if that's optional if you want to. Now I have a box of, spice cake mix, and then I'm just gonna sprinkle it all on top of it. Just dump it, make sure cover it up really well. Alright, then I melted 2 sticks of butter, and I just sprinkled it all around, on top of there. Just to let you know, I do have my oven preheated. I forgot to mention that before, to 350, but you may want to adjust it according to your oven and how hot it gets. And I'm going to bake this sucker in the oven for about 35 to 40 minutes until it's nice and brown and and done. Alright, this is what it looks like when it came out the oven. I know it's a little brown in that one part, but hey, it still was bomb, y'all. It came out so good. Alright, serve it with a little bit of whipped cream on top, and voila, bam, bam, boom, bam, boom. Like I said previously before, it's bomb. It was delicious. It was definitely a hit. If you tried this recipe, definitely let me know. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff. I appreciate all your love, support, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. And as always, guys, God bless. Mwah.